is Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, Science and Humanities Department, English 3110002. The subject it comes in each and every branch. So let's start. Unit 3, Identifying Common Errors in Writing. This is the title of the Unit 3, and let's go. These are the topics of Unit 3: tenses, subject verb agreement, noun pronoun agreement, articles, prepositions, modal auxiliaries, and redundancies. So in the previous lecture we have gone through tenses and subject verb agreement. So today let's start noun pronoun agreement. Number 1, in singular noun, persons of the male sex are referred as he, him, his, himself. Persons of the female sex are referred by she, her, hers, herself. Non-living things and most animals are referred to by it, its, and itself. And if the noun is person, motorist, pupil, school, reader, pedestrian, then the masculine pronoun is generally used. A reader likes to choose his books himself. A reader likes to choose his books himself. A pupil follows his teacher. But if the clear reference of a woman or a girl is given, then of course the feminine form must be used. The word member could, for instance, refer to persons of either sex or both, but when it refers to a member of a women's organization, it is obviously feminine. There is only one member who has not paid her fees, and she has promised to pay within the next week. Look at the words baby and child, which refer to either sex or mostly referred as IL. The doctor picked up the baby and gave it to the mother. The child was crying for its family. It is a singular noun. If the number is plural, persons of either sex as well as non-living things are referred by they, them, their, theirs, themselves. An animal is usually referred by like cow, bull. We watched the cow as it was eating the grass, because cow is singular है, उसके लिए eat. But if there is something in the context or situation which draws attention to the sex of the animal, then he or she may be used. Under the shade of a tree, there was a cow with her calf. But pet animals which are treated as members of the family. Pet animals which are treated as members of family, yeah, and are usually referred by the pronoun appropriate to their sex. We have lost our cat. Have you seen him or her? Because we have lost our cat. That's why. Not that every and words beginning with every, everybody, everything are singular, and must therefore be preferred by the singular pronouns. Every girl passed his examination. Not there, yeah, because each and everyone had to show his pass. Remember that the possessive his or her and the other words derived from them must agree in gender with the words to which they refer back, or to put in another way, with the genitive noun that they replace. The use of masculine, feminine, or neuter form does not depend on the gender of the noun that follows or that it qualifies. Jack gave a present to his member, not her member. Chrissy gave a person to her mother as well as to her father. So not his father as well as to her father. The bag was restored to its owner. Not his honor, her honor. The bag was restored to its, क्योंकि बैग के लिए its यूज होता है. She gave a present to her mother as well as यानी साथ साथ. In the first sentence, possessive takes in gender from Jack, therefore it must be his. In the second, it takes its gender from Chriselle, therefore it must be her. In the third, it takes its gender from bag, therefore it must be its. The following table will help you to use the right pronoun or adjective: man, boy, everyone, everybody, a person. Woman, girl, every woman, every girl, a thing, an animal, one, men, women, people, animals, things. ये है नाउन और प्रोनाउन एडजेक्टिव. ही तो हिम, his तो himself, she her, hers herself, it its itself, one one's oneself, they them, their theirs themselves. The above table gives only the third person form. The below table gives you all the various forms that the personal pronouns and the words there from the then can take all the persons for both the singular and plural. Personal pronoun possessive reflexive. तो I का मी होता है, you का you, he him, she her, it one we तो us, you they them, mine, yours, his. It's a reflection pronoun. Mine का myself, yourself, his himself, her to hers herself, its itself, one's oneself, ours ourselves, yours yourselves, theirs themselves. The possessive adjective is used before a noun. My family, find your pencil, our cat. The possessive pronoun is used when no noun follows. This file is mine. Is this pencil yours? ये आपकी pencil. Is this pencil yours? The cat is ours. These are the self practice है. You have to submit in Google Classroom. Misplaced modifiers. A misplaced modifier is a word, phrase or clause which is separated improperly from the word it modifies, describes. Because of the separation, it can create confusion in sentence, which often leads to an awkward sound. Thus, modifiers must be placed properly. For example, on her way home, Jenny found a gold woman's bracelet. The example above suggests that a gold woman owns a bracelet. Misplaced modifiers can usually be corrected by moving the modifier to a proper place in the sentence. Proper place में वर्ड proper place पे होना चाहिए. Corrected क्या है? On her way home, Jenny found a woman's gold bracelet. Woman's gold bracelet. On her way home, Jenny found gold woman नहीं है, bracelet gold है, तो woman's gold bracelet. Now it is the bracelet that is gold. There are several kinds of misplaced modifiers. Misplaced adjectives are incorrectly separated from the nouns. They modify and mostly mistake the intended meaning. He ate a cold fish of cereal this evening. Correct the error by placing the adjective next to the noun it modifies. Corrected, he ate a dish of cold cereal this evening. Misplaced adverbs can change entire meaning of a sentence. My cousin drank lemon juice that he had brought slowly. To repair the meaning, move the adverb slowly so that it is near drink. My cousin slowly drank the lemon juice. Slowly drink lemon juice that he had bought. Note that the adverbs such as only, just, nearly, and almost, they are often misplaced and cause an error in the sentence. They only contributed 20 rupees to the fund for blind children. They contributed only 20 rupees to the fund for the blind children. Misplaced phrases can also cause a sentence's meaning in a sentence. Thus, it can lead to an awkward sound. The owner sold the sofa to the customer with the leather material. Correct है The owner sold the sofa with the leather material to the customer. Misplaced modifier. When 10 years old, my father enrolled me in a school. When I was 10 years old, you have to add it. When I was 10 years old, my father enrolled me in a school. Misplaced standing on the main road, a truck will hit you. If you stand on the main road, a truck will hit you. तो आपको सेंटेंस को समझना है और उसको करेक्ट वे में शेयर करना है. Misha served sandwiches to the siblings on paper plates. Misha served the sibling sandwiches on paper plates. He nearly drove the bike for 8 hours a day. He drove the bike for nearly 8 hours a day. I saw a puppy and a kitten on the way to home. On the way to home, I saw a puppy and a kitten. Only Millie Grice gave me ₹8 to clean all her clothes. Millie Grice gave me only $8 to clean all her clothes. Mary almost failed every exam she took. Mary failed almost every exam she took. People who laugh rarely are unhealthy. People who rarely laugh are unhealthy. Adi bought a kitten for his sister they call Misty. Adi bought a kitten they call Misty for his sister. While visiting the zoo, the lion frightened my friends. So while my friends were visiting the zoo, the lion frightened them. These are the articles. A and the infinite articles are used before singular nouns. If the noun starts with the vowel A, E, I, O, U, it will use an, and if it starts with the consonant how, then it will use a. If the first letter of a noun is vowel but the sound is consonant, then article A will be used. For example, a university. In the same way, if the first letter of a noun is consonant but sound is vowel, the article N will be covered and R. Definition. Article before plural nouns. I ate an apples. The apples. To indicate the noun that is unique, the Nile is the longest river. The longest. The Nile. The days get shorter in the winter. The wind is blowing too hard. To refer to a time period, she was very sad in the past. This song was very popular in the 1980s. To indicate a noun that is definite or has been previously specified in the context. Please close the window. This is a self-practice questions. A and the. Please kindly complete it and share me in notebook. Write down your enrollment number and name. Prepositions. Preposition is a word or phrase used before a noun or pronoun to show place, time or direction. Place, time or direction. The following table contains rules for some of the most frequently used prepositions in English. Preposition on, in, at, since, for, ago, before, to, past, to, till, until, going to, last, by. So days of the week, months, seasons of the year, for night, for weekend, from a certain point of the time, over a certain period of the time, or certain time in the past, earlier than a certain point of time, like that, telling the time, do and past, till, until, marking the beginning and end of the period of the time, like that. She is on holiday until Saturday. Example, on Sunday in October, in summer, in morning, in 2016, in an hour, at night, at the weekend, at 10:30. Since 1950, for 3 years ago, ये एग्जाम्पल है. Before 2005, 10 to 7, 10 past. From Tuesday to till Friday, I will be back by 8 o'clock. By 10 o'clock, I had read whole book. So prepositions के ये एग्जाम्पल है. In, inside, on, at, near, under, over, below, above, round, through, on, between, behind, in front of, along, across, up and down, opposite, onto, off, into, out of, past. So next to, against, over, from, to and towards. ये प्रपोजन है, उसके यूसेज है, इसके एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. सो इन रूम, बिल्डिंग, स्ट्रीट, टाउन, कंट्री, in the kitchen, in London, in the book, in the car, in the book, in the car, at the meaning, next to, the place where you are to do something, typically, at the door, at the railway station, at the table, at the concert, at the cinema, on, so attached, for a place with a river being, for a certain site, for a floor in a house, for a public, on the picture, on the line, on the second floor, on the bus, by, next to, beside, left or right of somebody or something. Jack is standing by, या next या beside car, under, on the ground, lower than something else. The book is under the table, below, lower than something else but above ground. The fishes are below the surface. Over, covered by something else, meaning more than, getting to the other side. Put a jacket over your t-shirt. Over 18 years of age, walk over the bridge, climb over the mountain. These are the examples of prepositions. Thank you very much, dear all.